Hello everyone. Today we see that all the major market went up today. In Europe, it went up because there's a hope that the war will finish very soon. In the US, the Federal Reserve increased the interest rate, and then it is likely that they will increase the interest rate for 6 times in the next couple of years. And then what happened is that the market see that this is a more certain future. Hence, the market went up by quite a large amount. You can see that Nasdaq went up by more than double the amount of Dow Jones, which is very interesting because the tech stocks were sold off in the last couple of months. We will see if this will go back up to the high before. And as expected, the volatility index fell off. Let's look at the oil price. It went down again. Gold also went down. It's all because there is more certainty on the market. Let's look at what the chart tells us. Dow Jones, there's a big jump here. It has risen to and gone past the moving average 20. So this will be a good point to watch as an entry point for a long position. Oil, you can see that it's still falling. So we are 1 day after the oil price fell below the moving average 20. So we will keep watching to see if today's low will break the previous day's low. What will happen now is the war between Russia and Ukraine. And then we'll see if the oil price goes down after that. Gold price also went down. How about Bitcoin and Ethereum? As expected, when there's more certainty, the price went up. So today I'm going to look at the Australian dollars. Australian dollars is the barometer of the world economy growth because of its supply of the commodity products to the world. So you can see that today the MACD is negative, but moving average, it has gone past the moving average 20. So this is a sign of uncertainty, and we'll keep watching this market to see if the MACD will turn positive. Overall, today is a very good market for people who are long the market. If you are short the market, this is a bad day for you. So the market to watch is the oil market, and then the gold. It has gone down below the low of yesterday already. So if you are in this trade, you will be making money now. It's likely that you are making a slight loss at the moment, so you will need to watch out for your stop loss. Let's come back to CNBC. So we can see that everything is up, and the futures market is not open yet. So we'll monitor how the market goes, and then we'll trade accordingly. Until next time, be safe.